Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the NEBO Blackout Backup Emergency LED bulb. So it has one bulb and one power cap. It is rechargeable and it replaces standard bulbs with E27 base. 60 watts, that's how it is. It's non-dimmable, suitable for damp locations but not waterproof, so don't put it outside in the rain. Not suitable for enclosed luminaires. 220 to 240 volts, 50-60 hertz, 8 watts. Lithium battery is the battery inside. It's 3.7 volts, 2000 milliampere, 7.4 watt hour. So yeah, and then in here it shows how there's 4-mode lighting. So it's backup high, medium and low. So it's 500 so what it says 850 fixture high. We'll look at this in just a second. So that's the information. You can save it, pause the video. So what happens, like so you have this bulb in, yeah, and you will charge, and as soon as you remain without the power, the light bulb will remain on, and you will, I think it lasts for quite a good time. I can't remember if they say maybe that's what it means. So if you have it on low, that's 12 hours, medium 6 hours, and high 2 hours, and fixture high 850 lumens. That would be unknown. I guess they couldn't try that. So obviously I've opened this before, so let's have a quick look. And that's where you have the little device that helps you turn it on and off. Unfortunately, there's no way to charge it other than connecting it like a bulb. So don't think you can open that either. Let's see if it shows anything here. Still same information. So the way you use it, you screw the bulb into any standard light fixture as you would do with any other bulb. The bulb will light whenever the fixture or wall switch is turned on. Charging of the internal battery occurs while the bulb is on. Leave the bulb on for 12 hours to fully charge on first use or after a power outage. When the power is lost, the blackout backup emergency bulb will still work normally, turning on and off with the switch. Okay. For best results, do not use other bulbs on the same fixture on the wall switch. Other bulbs might not turn off or on properly. So make sure it's on a single switch. Yeah? So with the power cap, we use outside of a fixture. Okay. Turn on the power and unscrew. So if installing a fixture, turn off the power and unscrew. So turn off the power, obviously. Screw the bulb into the portable power cap. Turn off the switch to turn off the bulb. Changing modes. Yes, see how you change the mode. So turn on the switch, or order to turn on the bulb. With the bulb on, turn the switch, fixture or holder off and back on again within 1 second. Okay, so that's how it goes through the modes. So let's see. This is just a plastic thing to keep it protected while you're not using it. That's how it looks like this. It has a switch in there, so you can attach it on different objects. So you screw this in. Obviously now it's charged. That's how much it screws in. So if you press once, if you do it again, it's lower. If you do it again, it's lower, and then full brightness. Yeah, so it's plenty of light to light up your room. I've tested it in my room, and it looks like it's on a full day, full full normal light bulb, obviously 60 watts. So yeah, there you have it, guys. It's just a little bit heavier than a normal bulb, but then it's very, very useful. And I'm gonna show you now quickly. If I turn off all these lights, yeah, and then so that's the highest, medium, I think, low, and then high again. So it looks like 3 modes. I can't really do. So 1, 2, 3, 4 they say in here, but I don't know. Maybe I don't understand how you go on the highest. Anyway, you don't really need to go on the highest all the time. So yeah, it depends how you left it. That's how it's gonna, when it's a power cut, that's the mode that it's gonna use. So for example, if I would screw it like this, so if I would probably turn it off now. How did I do that though? You don't even need to, you just press a little bit, you see? It goes through the modes. That's the highest. Maybe that's the lowest, lowest, and lowest, lower, yeah. So maybe that's how it is, the 4 modes, I don't know. So let's see. Yeah. Maybe. I still see only 3 modes. But yeah, there you have it, guys. I think it's a really useful thing to have in your house, especially if you're living in an area where you may have, we may experience power cuts. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching.